Okay, guys, let's do a chant real quick, okay? The chant is gonna be teamwork. On three. 1, 2, 3. Teamwork! One, two, three, four, five, six, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't let your foot fall. Bring it inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, don't let it fall. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go for it. Left foot. 10. Don't let the fall, bring it inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we wish you the very best in the series. Our reward is not time to play a final hit. Okay, but we wish you the very best. Thank you.
Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. First of all, let's become running rebels. Come on, let's begin now. Kick it out. Go running rebels. 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 Thank you, boys and girls, for being here with us this morning. And I know that you are hoping that I can keep up with you. But I'm still thinking after all these years, I still have to report all year long, still have to once a year to be able to exercise with you. I want to thank the parents that have allowed me to come here with us this morning, and certainly to the organizers and to all the people that are treating you and looking after you. I wanted to take this opportunity to make new friends because I know that kids from Lamakulala School, our kids from Lamakulala School. Lamakulala School, come on! I can't hear you! Lamakulala School! Yes? No? Say yeah! Lamakulala School! Chapel School, and San Francisco. Anyway, I wanted to get the opportunity to make new friends, play sports, and to have a good time. So once again, thank you very much. Be safe. It's very hot. I'm sweating a lot. Make sure you drink a lot of water. And have fun. And I hope to see some of you next year, March 1st. Once again, thank you so much. Have fun, everybody.